Hey everyone, this is AB Race Cruisers 2024. We are just going to give you a little run through on how you open our 2 meter long upper bed and hook it up into the roof, so it makes it a little bit more simple for you when you jump in your new AB Race Cruiser. So here goes. So we're going to open the upper bed here. So first of all, pull the bed forward about halfway like that. Make sure your USB reading lights aren't in the way. Push the upper mattress, the big mattress on the top forward. Make sure the small mattress is staying with you as it comes out. Pull the bed to its full extension. Clip the big arm up there on the left side, and the small arm here is a small clip as well, which we'll show you a close-up of in a minute. That just hooks up there on the right hand side. So now our upper bed is in the fully open position. It's 2 meters deep, about 174 wide, so it makes it into a large double bed, and it is suitable for 2 adults and even a small kid up there on the top. And we don't really put a weight restriction on it because 2 adults is absolutely fine up here. It's made to take that weight. If you get the lightweight aluminium ladder here, clip it into the grey plastic clips on the front. That gives you nice easy access up into the large spacious upper bed with 2 USB reading lights up there in the corner as well, with USB charging points for your phones and iPads while you're in bed. Hi everyone, we're inside one of our 4x4 Mercedes Sprinters that we've just supplied to Olofsson Auto over in Sweden. We're going to give you a little demonstration on how this triple 3-seater M1 approved seat makes into a nice large double bed down here on the bottom. So come and take a look. You take the lever down here on the right hand side, due to this being a left hand drive vehicle. Put your hand there at the back and pull this bed forward like that, and let it come all the way down to the bottom like that. You can then come over the top and adjust it so it can sit flat, or you can recline this part down, so when this lower part comes down it makes into a nice comfortable seating area as well. So right now we'll leave it in a little bit of a drop position. You then pull the inner bar here on the inside of the seat, simply just like that, and lower the inside of the bed down and push it into position. If you then want to make this nice and flat, adjust the bar on the right hand side and you have yourself a nice big large double bed down here in the bottom of this 4x4 Mercedes Sprinter. As you can see, it's made in its bed position now as well. You've got a smart TV inside this vehicle, so you can also pull this little lever here in the back and then lift the rear part of the bed up. So then you make yourself a nice comfortable seating area, so you can sit at night with your feet in a nice reclined or lounge position and watch your TV, for example. So it's also a very large comfortable bed and also a comfortable seat for lounging in the evening, and also allows you to have a big garage in the back when this is fully folded in the upright position.